GIST originated from interstitial cells of Kajal. GIST treatment is imatinib, which is a tyrosine kinase inhibitor. Diet high in animal fat increases the risk of colon carcinoma. Right side CA colon has most fungating cauliflower-like growth. Obstructing lesion of right colon surgery involves resection and ileocolonic anastomosis. Obstructing lesion of left side colon involves resection of lesion and proximal diversion. Acute intestinal obstruction presents as vomiting, distension, and intestinal colic. Auscultation revealing Bourbaki is diagnostic of acute intestinal obstruction. In acute intussusception, child screams in abdominal pain, putting his legs up. Red currant jelly stool is seen in intussusception. Sister Mary Joseph nodule is seen in stomach cancer. Garland striatum is observed in sarcoidosis as lymph node enlargement. Elevated LH with hypertrophy of theca cells and more androgen production is observed in PCOS. Metformin 500 mg thrice daily is drug of choice in metabolic syndrome in PCOS. Acrodermatitis enteropathica is autosomal recessive disorder affecting uptake of zinc. Ascaris lumbricoides can cause intestinal obstruction. Neuroleptic malignant syndrome treatment involves dantrolene, nifedipine, and bromocriptine. Vasopressin analog tolvaptan is for euvolemic hyponatremia (SIADH). Pigeon droppings are associated with Cryptococcus. Maize and cereals are avoided in celiac disease. Selegiline is drug of choice in neurodegenerative Parkinsonism. Thrombolysis is contraindicated in non-ST elevated MI, but it is given in ST elevated MI. Needle aspiration is first line treatment in spontaneous pneumothorax. CML translocation involves translocation 11-22. Mantle cell lymphoma involves translocation 9-11.